Live from Stepford Central, this is SCR News with PinguBoy.
Hello and welcome to our third episode of SCR News. It is Monday the 15th of June. Here's the headlines. More sneak peeks of the redesign. A new badge in the game will come out. Hello and welcome to SCR News. It is now known that the scenery redesign will be made to Steph Victoria. Remember my theory in the last broadcast? That there will be a brand new scenery from City Hospital and maybe even further all the way to Steph Victoria. So I was correct. Also, not only the scenery has changed, the station itself will be changed with a new look. I was also expecting this since it's low detail and so many empty spaces. I wonder what it looks like inside soon. Can we have a huge round of applause for making this? That developer that should be applauded is Jerb RBLX. Let's continue. A new badge in the game has been seen, however, it's not obtainable. The upcoming badge is called The Weight of the World, and the description says, "Seriously? Climbing statues again?" You can obviously tell from that description that you need to climb the statue to obtain this badge. As you can see in the badge icon, it is meant to be in the park at Stepford City, but it is not found at the moment. Let me just say, this is a challenging badge to get. It's not as easy as the Mayor of Belden statue. It will be obtainable in the next update. That's all for the news headlines. Here's the weather.
Today, it is partly cloudy in the afternoon and mostly in the evening. The whole day is warm.
Thank you for watching this news. Goodbye.